Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Zach, and I'm a technician at Kura Home. We're an air duct and routine maintenance company with over 35 routine maintenance services located in the Twin Cities area in Minnesota, and we're also located in 5 other states nationwide. Just wanted to let you know, one of the most important things we want to know when we come to your home is what can we do to make this the best possible service for you guys? What can we do to make you feel comfortable? Because we know it's a little weird sometimes having someone come into your home. Everyone's had it done before, but we just want to let you know that we have very hardworking, trustworthy guys who just want to do a good job cleaning your air ducts and any of those routine maintenance services that you want done as well. If you guys want to know any more information about what we got going on, you can look us up online at kurahome.com, or you can give us a call at 612-503-4050. Thanks so much, you guys.